of a shell, just minding my own world, and without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good. And I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with the aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I'm gone. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. There I was, an empty piece of a cell. Without even knowing what love and life were all about. When you came, you brought me out of the cell, you gave the world to me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. 'Cause you gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm born beyond existence. And it all began when I met you. The love that touched your hand, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure the love for you will endure. The love that light up the world and take all of my cares away with the aching part of me. 'Cause you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. 'Cause you gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm
Bukas gang kan wifi.
when it all began. Just an ordinary song. A special girl like you. I was so in love with you. I made up my mind to show that go. Knowing what it seems to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, and when the world seems so unfair, you can call ordinary song. Pero kung kumana ulit. Just an ordinary song. Just a girl like you.
Naka-picture ako.
My way. They just seem so absurd.
Picture na ako. Pakulo ng ani.
But deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. And all those years may see you through. And still I'm waiting for you. Stay sometime to lend a ear to this ordinary